Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the PO Selected MAG Tumbler. It is a tea bottle with drainer to go. It is a teapot, a teacup glass, for example, a teacup with 295 milliliter. These are 10 of. Wow, magical tea time this is. What is this? It is a glass. Okay. It is a teapot. What is a teapot? A teapot is a vessel used for steeping tea leaves or a herbal mix in boiling or near boiling water, and for serving the resulting infusion, which is called the tea. Okay. So this is a teapot. No, it is not. Maybe it is a teapot or a tea glass with infuser. But what is a infuser? A tea infuser is a device in which loose dried tea leaves are placed to steeping or brewing in a mug or a teapot. Or in this case, you can brew it in the mug tumbler. The magic tea tumbler. Oh yeah, dive into a whole new experience when drinking tea. With the PO Selected Tea Cup, you can now brew and enjoy your tea on the go. This is a nice idea, I think. You have here a high quality product. The PO Selected Mag Tumbler is manufactured and manufactured to a high quality product for your tea enjoyment. It is functionally. Thanks to the sophisticated mechanism, you can simply attach the stainless steel tea ball to the lid. So you can stop brewing at any time by simply turning upside down the cup. Wow, this is a nice, smart, with approximately 10 ounce volume of the tea cup has enough space for your tea and for the tea infuser ball. Okay, this is nice. This is really nice. You have a nice style, as you can see here. Already an ancient China, you knew how to appreciate tea. With a PO Select teacup, you can brew your tea in style and guide with you. The colored lid and the retraining strap round of the whole tastefully glass surface. And you have a high quality product. It stands as a German company for high quality and durable product in combination with excellent support. Put your new PO Select tea bottle to go now with a little of delicious tea leaves. Then open the teapot glass, I think it's a teapot glass, and extract the infuser ball. Then inflate the tea leaves into the infuser ball. Drop the infuser ball into the cup here and dip it with fresh, hot, nearly boiling water. Then let it rest for 5 minutes if it's black tea, as here shown. And then rotate this cup, upside down. Then the infuser ball will stick on the cup side of this construction. And it will stay there because of the magnetism. Then you can relax a little bit until your tea, your fresh brewed tea, is cooled down a little bit. And then have a tea. Oh, delicious. And the silicone round wrap around the glass will protect you from overheating your skin and your hands. So I like it really much. It is easy to use, it is durable, and it looks really cool. This is the next step tea experience with a teapot infuser in one glass construction. This is the PO selected MAG Tumbler, and Tumbler is really nice choose name. It is a tea bottle with strainer to go teapot teacup. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.